Hello, I'm Charlene with ZNest. Do you want to learn more about assisted living and memory care in Kentucky? Well, we are here to help. Assisted living is a type of housing for adults who cannot live independently. In assisted living communities, the services typically include help with activities of daily living, also known as ADLs. These ADLs include things like medication management, grooming, bathing, dressing, and even toileting. Memory care communities provide specialized care for people living with any form of dementia, including Alzheimer's disease. Dementia is a general term for the loss of memory and the ability to think. My colleague Jason will give you some more background information.
Thanks, Charlene. In terms of levels of care and cost, assisted living and memory care sit between independent living and skilled nursing. Independent living is not regulated as it is primarily real estate for healthier seniors. Skilled nursing, on the other hand, is heavily regulated by both the state and federal governments. Because skilled nursing is federally regulated, there is more consistency from state to state. Assisted living and memory care are regulated by the states, and each state is different.
In Kentucky, the agency that licenses assisted living is the Cabinet for Health and Family Services, Department for Aging and Independent Living. When we used the terms assisted living and memory care earlier, those are generic terms, but each state has specific terms for licensing. In Kentucky, the official term for licensing is Certified Assisted Living Communities. An assisted living community is defined as a series of living units on the same site to provide services to 5 or more adults not related within the third degree of consanguinity to the owner or manager. Memory care uses the same license as certified assisted living communities, but there are additional requirements. Check out ZNest's entire library of informative videos on senior care.